Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins. Now this was a secondary album that was sent to me by mistake that I paid for, and I'm using it for the £1 coins at the moment. I have a full set apart from a trial coin for the 12-sided, and also this year's £1 coin, which will slot in there. I haven't yet got the set that I will use. This is the £1 collection, the round pound. I still need the trial version of it. I need the 1998 Royal Arms, the 1999 Scottish Lion, the 2007 Millennium Bridge, and the 2016 Shield. I do have here a whole load of coins. And there's one of them. Can you see that? Okay, let's just bring you in a little bit. This one here is the Millennium Bridge. So get these ones off. So there's the Millennium Bridge. The Millennium Bridge is on this page. It was from 2007. And I'll just put that there for the moment because I need to mark it up. So here I have a coin just give me 1 second. I need to bring out my trusty magnifier. This microscope is a fairly cheap microscope. I do have a more, and this one is a 1985, and it's the Welsh leek. So let's just go to 1985 and the Welsh leek. I already have it, so let's put it into the next one. Here is 2011. 2011's on this page over here, and it is a large shield from 2011. 2011 large shield. I have one of those. This one here is the second one of the bridge. It's the second bridge coin. Let me just bring you in a little bit. Hopefully you can make that out now. It is, of course, the Egyptian arch, which is Northern Ireland. And if you see there on the 2006, I have an Egyptian bridge. This next one is a 2010? Yep, 2010. It's a 2010 large shield, and I have that one there. So that can go into my little bag of coins. The next one is a 1993 and it is a Royal Arms 1993, 92, 93, and it's this one over here. Let me just, here's that one there. So we already have it. So that one can go in my bag. The next one is a 1990, and it's a leek again. 1990 leek, Welsh leek, I've already got it. Now, I have two coins here that are in protective wrapper. This one here is a Royal Coat of Arms, and the date on it is 1998. 1998 Royal Arms. That's one of the ones I need. So oh, don't you just hate these coins like this? Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. And we have another one. And that's flipped up. Ready to go, 1998 Royal Arms. So I'll mark that up in a minute when I'm finished. And the next one is a 1999 Scottish Lion, which is the one next to it. So if we just let's just I'm going to have to come out a little bit to show you it. Oops, wrong way. A bit more. There we go. The 1998 is there, the 1999 Lion is there, and there is the 1999 Lion in its little plastic folder. So I've managed to get 3 coins in this particular hunt that I needed for my collection. I'll just go through with you in a second to show you what I've still got left to get. Now, I did buy these coins directly from the internet because I didn't have them, and come on, you awkward thing. Come on, you awkward thing. Hooray! There we go. There's a little more. Need a little more persuasion than I normally would hope for. But there we go, the coin's there. Let's get the flip. And let's put this one in there as well. So, if we take a look at the whole of this, let's just take it up a little bit. Let's take you out. Sorry, wrong way. Let's just take you out. At the top here, I just need the one test coin, single metal test coin for the round £1. I've then got right the way through from 1983 to 2001. On the second page, I have all of the coins down to 2014, which means the only one I have missing is a 2016 Shield. Now this was in the year sets, and consequently I don't yet have a spare year set. that I can get this coin. So let's hope I can get this 2016 shield. The last round pound, of course, was the one with the 4 beasts on, which is this last one here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish this here and say, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you've bought coins, wherever you bought them from, I hope you can get the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. I have just one £1 coin to get. Round £1 coin to get to complete this set, and that's the 2016 shield. So I'm going to be on the lookout for that. And whilst I'm here, need £1 round 2016 shield. Now I'll be on the outlook on the eBay looking for that, and in the meantime I hope you've enjoyed this shortened video on the state of my round £1 coin collection, and I hope that you believe it's worthy of a like. A like will help me enormously to put me in front of on people's recommendation lists, and also if you're a returner, or even if you're brand new here and you've enjoyed this, please stick around and watch a couple more videos, and I would be absolutely delighted if you subscribe and join me in the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes and militaria type stuff. So until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will not be too far into the distant future, ta-da for now. Bye bye.